It's cool?
Yeah.
How much you get the week?
I mean, it depends. You can do however much you want.
Yeah, but I'm asking you how much you make.
First of all, I'm on camera.
Don't worry about my camera. You do really not see it.
What is it for?
No, for myself and I just do stuff.
Oh, for yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So about
800 every week? You got another job?
I do.
What you do?
What do I do? I work in healthcare.
You don't worry, I get you vaccine. You never get vaccine?
No, I just, my back kind of hurts.
But you need to get it.
Huh?
You get vaccine?
No.
It seems like you scared corona.
I'm not getting the vaccine, no.
I get that. I get Madonna, man. I don't tell people to get that, man. It's not cool. It break me down the first time. The second time is like just I get corona, the real corona.
Yeah, no, I'm not getting the vaccine.
So everybody has seen a cell phone, so they do that.
No, not everybody. Some people. Just
Most of the people.
Some people just got their grocery list. I keep my grocery list on the cell phone. Yeah.
Anyway,
where's this video going?
It's not going nowhere.
He got a very professional camera. It's going.
Yeah, it's mine. Anyway, I got a YouTube channel and I'm trying. The truth is, I got a YouTube channel, but we don't speak English in my YouTube. It's in Lingala. It's for Africa. So, but I got another project coming. We're looking somebody we can shoot movies. If interested, maybe you can get a number. You never know. You can be star one day.
No.
You don't want to do that? Really?
Nah.
But your face look cute on the camera. What's your name, by the way?
Thank you, Jupiter.
Jupiter, I'm E.
E?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. You looking fresh out here.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, good luck on your channel.
So, okay, you don't mind if I put you in? It's not about here. It's about Africa, but you don't mind, right? Cool.
All right.
Oh, I appreciate that. Yeah. This is how we live, man. Vivre à boye, tu es dans le marché, de ce moment ya biloko. Ndenge salaka okutana na bandeko ba petit ba massa bandeko mususu ba mboko moni to banero parler le respect na kati ya wenze. Mutu nyonso opesa o respect bige oyo kosala makambo na oza na caméra na yo mutu moko otuna yo teke caméra wana nini ozosala nini eza pona nini jamais po bato bazo mutu azo comprendre mutu azo mind business na ye. Mais yo za na Congo mono partout zo ganga na mutu caméra na nini ozolakisa nini ya c'est ça. Mentalité, il faut que tu collaborer, changer. Anyway, tu es comme la souka de Ozonga. Tu es sur ma bilo, okay, let's go. That's it, Katia.
Sans